Hey guys, welcome to another Tech Packet video. Today we're reviewing the Elgato Green Screen. This is an all-in-one complete, compact and portable solution for green screening. Great for streaming or videos for YouTube, Twitch or Facebook. I'm going to show you how super simple this is to set up. Let's get started. Okay, first part is it's got these two legs to stop it from tipping over. These rotate all the way around, so flick these out. Undo the locks, flip the top open, there's a handle here, pull that straight up, and it is that quick. The whole thing, when extended, is about 150 centimeters across by about 2 meters tall. Okay, as you can see, when you fully extend it all the way up, it automatically locks into place with this bracket here. Becomes pretty stable. Even if you bump it, as long as you've got the legs out, it won't fall over. As you can see, for putting it away, it's just as simple as opening it up. Grab it from the top, push it all the way down. Do exactly what you did before, but opposite. Close it. Put the locks on, and then twist the feet. Slide it under your bed or stand it up against the wall. It's very compact. Okay, now you've seen how easy it is to set up, so I'm going to show you how to cut out the background using Labs OBS. I'm going to head up to the computer now, show you how to do that. Okay, here we are. We're at my streaming setup. Got the green screen set up behind me. I need to cut out this green background. We want to see the gameplay behind it. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to the monitor so you can see what I'm doing. We're going to go to our webcam. We're going to right click on that. We're going to go to filters. And I've already set some up. So just quickly, if I turn that on, you'll see that it's cut out. And you can see straight through. So I'll show you how to do that. You go to the plus icon here, you click on that, scroll down to filter type, and you want to go to Chroma key. By default, this automatically selects green. You want this to be as cut out as possible. Right now it's a bit fuzzy. So we're going to increase the similarity until that's mostly black. And that is pretty much it. You can fine tune it with some of the other settings. Best to make your webcam bigger when doing this. And you go back and then you can adjust some of your other settings closer up. But it is really that simple. And now when we go back to the game, that's it. We've cut out the background. Super simple, super easy. It took 5 seconds to pull that up and it took another 10 seconds to apply the filter. So as you can tell, this is super simple to set up. Super simple to cut away the green screen for streaming or video editing. Do I recommend it? It is on the pricey side. It's 150 US. But if you compare that to what you have to get from Amazon, otherwise, the material, the stand, and the clips to put it all up, that becomes about 100 US by itself. And that material, when folded, causes wrinkles, shadows. It's very hard to pack away and very hard to set back up. This, for that premium alone, I do believe is worth the extra $50. And when you're done with this, it is very compact. You can slide it away, put it under your bed, put it up against a wall in the corner. Very compact, great for bedroom use, small office or any other area where you don't want to paint a wall, you don't want to set up huge stands with large green screens. Great quality, thick material, definitely worth the price. This has been another Tech Pack video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, comment your questions down below. I'll see you in the next one.